This is AI News 5 Minutes. Welcome! Let's dive into the biggest AI stories breaking right now. First up, and this is wild, Situational Awareness. The hedge fund that had Wall Street absolutely buzzing is now under federal investigation. We're talking SEC subpoenas. This fund went from being the golden child of AI investing to facing serious legal scrutiny in what feels like overnight. What happened? The fund made massive bets on AI advancement, positioned itself as the next big thing, and attracted serious capital from major investors. But things went sideways fast. Now federal regulators are digging into their operations, their claims, their investment strategies. This is a major reality check for the AI investment space. It shows that even the most hyped funds aren't immune to scrutiny. The SEC doesn't mess around. And if they're issuing subpoenas, there's real concern about what went down. This story matters because it highlights the Wild West nature of AI investing right now. Everyone's throwing money at AI companies, but not everyone's doing their homework. Situational awareness looked like a sure thing. Now it's a cautionary tale. Moving on. Instinct. AI assistant is launching and people are impressed. But here's the problem. Security experts are absolutely freaking out. The assistant is incredibly powerful. It can access your data, your apps, your accounts. It can literally take actions on your behalf without you watching. That's amazing for convenience, right? But it's terrifying for privacy. Think about it. You're giving an AI system permission to act in your digital life. What if it gets hacked? What if it misinterprets what you want? What if it shares your data? These aren't hypothetical concerns. They're real issues that security researchers are raising right now. The trade-off between functionality and privacy is becoming the central question in consumer AI. We want powerful assistants, but we also want to protect our information. Instinct is forcing this conversation to happen. Early testers love what it can do, but the privacy red flags are impossible to ignore. This is the tension that's going to define consumer AI adoption going forward. Companies need to build trust, not just features. Now for some exciting news on the robotics front. General Intuition is raising $6 billion. $6 billion. They're building foundation models for AI agents that can actually move through physical space. We're talking robots that understand their environment and can act in the real world. Major investors like Valor Ventures and Point72 are backing this. This funding round signals that embodied AI is no longer science fiction. It's happening now. These foundation models are crucial because they let robots learn from vast amounts of data, then apply that knowledge to new situations. It's the same approach that made large language models so powerful. Now it's coming to robotics. This is huge for the future of manufacturing, logistics, and countless other industries. When robots can understand and navigate the physical world intelligently, everything changes. General Intuition's funding shows investors believe this moment is now. Speaking of major moves, Trump just bought SpaceX shares. 2 weeks after the blockbuster IPO, he purchased shares when the stock was trading in the mid-150s. SpaceX finished Monday back at its IPO price of $135. That's a paper loss, at least for now. But this move signals confidence in SpaceX's future. It's also a reminder that even with AI and tech dominating headlines, traditional space and infrastructure plays remain attractive to major players. The intersection of AI and space technology is becoming increasingly important. Finally, Amjad Masad, CEO of Replit, is speaking at TechCrunch Disrupt 2026. He'll discuss the future of programming and Replit's role in shaping it. This is important because Replit is democratizing coding through AI. They're making programming accessible to everyone. That's your AI news for today. We covered federal investigations into AI hedge funds, privacy concerns with powerful assistants, massive robotics funding, and major tech moves. The AI landscape is shifting fast. Subscribe for tomorrow's update. I'm your AI news host. See you tomorrow.